course, it's one of the compelling and defining challenges of our time. How do you actually hammer out an effective, inclusive and sustainable food strategy for the entire world?
There are still 800 million people suffering from hunger, 170 million children suffering from undernutrition, 3 million of them will not survive this year. And the worst maybe is that the remaining children, the ones who are going to survive, will not develop fully. And so this is maybe one of the most extreme forms of inequity.
Our Western diets cannot be made universal. It is completely unsustainable to all eat as we do.
There is a responsibility of the food industry, I would say primarily in its own operation to make them more efficient, more resilient, and also train, help, support its supplying communities, the farmers, and at the same time also provide transparency, address the question from the consumers because they have the right to know how the food is produced.
What about making a citizens' initiative of having sustainable food policy in Europe and having a directorate of food instead of agriculture? I bet we could get enough names all over Europe to support the change. But we need to do it ourselves.
When we asked a last commission for a very important paper on building a sustainable European food system, Barroso's answer was, oh, no, we will not table it because it's a matter of subsidiarity. It depends on member states. The member states are quite capable to ensure all this. So where is the leadership? Huh?
Political leaders have to take this issue on board with courage, with a clear mind, and to try to drive the society, also the production, towards a new direction. And this is not necessarily meaning loss of jobs, as another vulgata, in Brussels is that any change you lose jobs, which is not true, because if you don't eat something, you eat something else. Maybe there is a different type of things.
I think that we have to imagine policies that will influence people to buy less, to waste less, and to eat just what they need and not more. And this is really fully consistent with the public health messages to fight overweight and obesity.
Live Well for Life was about raising awareness, was about getting the ball rolling. It wasn't just that. We've always wanted to go beyond it. We've got the discussion going. Now it's time for action. We have even briefed the White House on this because they're starting to get interested in it. And since that's happened, we saw some amazing events going on. And this year in the ICN2, a global event on nutrition, and they were talking about the need to bring sustainability into healthy eating advice.
I'm very proud that WWF has been associated with the Live Well project. We should press very hard politically on this new commission to have those initiatives debated, discussed, brought forward.